Good morning, guys, from 215. It's too early in the morning, of course, to get already like exercise outside of 215 with this naughty or unnaughty or naughty boy over here. Today is gonna be Sunday, so dito, oh, dito si Nini, oh, sa UI pa. Humandang kwarto. How about your room? Hindi po kay masama yung pakiramdam daw niya. So right now I go somewhere. We're gonna start our day over here. Uyak is here. So kanino sa ini mga kuan? Sound box? Ba't ang liliit? Ha? Oh, their sound box is too small. We're gonna plant like a banana over here in this side, like all over. Like this one here. The thing with banana is they're growing big. They're producing like what's that called? Like a banana also. It's like a vine. They keep like producing and producing. They become occupied everything. So this one here, ito pa nga oh, di nyo nilinisan yan. That's pineapple. That's pineapple. That's pineapple. Dapat you need to clean this one in prior for this to make pineapple. You gotta have the pineapple over here too. That one down here is oh no, this one here is ano nga to? Coconut. And that is one. I don't like sugar cane. Sugar cane is the same as banana too, but eventually we gonna round this one banana over here. There's like a coconut also some over here too. So we're a couple coconut. 10 years from now, we have a lot of coconut. Alright guys, this is the new, I remember, this is the new thing, or new garden in 215 Homestead. We're gonna transfer this one over here, down to this one here, while we're not gonna use it so far. Instead of remind it like empty, we just going to use it for something so we can benefits also in the near future. So, hi, nasa sabay sa Kaguna. Ha? Hi, sa Hi, sa Kadisiran. Where they gonna go? Dapat yung mga kuan, oh, mga stone, you gonna take the stone out. This is, sino nga nag, ano nito? See? There's like a coconut here too. It's coconut, down there is one coconut. We gonna have, that is very deep too. There you go. That's so deep over there. And then it's nipa down. So we can just have nipa. Okay guys, I am on my way to the other side of our area where we can get a root crops. Where my mom are going to get root crops over here. Cause my mom actually planting root crops in this side. So where President Miguel's kubo is located. So we are just going to come in here. My mom, as you see that one down here. It's very clean, right? It's very, very clear. Some things like they're doing like cleaning that up. Everybody has a piece of land since the port is born. Everybody is the owner. So, but here's the thing, keep asking me this and keep asking me that. I am going to see this once and for all, like yeah, wait a minute. So somebody asked me about what happened to this land. First of all, this land has claimed to have two owners. They call that one is gonna be a dispute by two owners. There's nothing to do with us. There's nothing to do with my grandpa. There's nothing to do with our family. It's just happened that my grandpa is the one is caretaker, but it is not his problem or my uncle's problem if what happened to this both family, because the dispute land is, you know how it works. It's family among family. So it's up to them, whoever win. So it's the owner. So that's about it. And then less than that, we don't have any involvement on this land, except as my grandfather is the one is a caretaker in this place. And then that's about it. So as you can see, the Miguel's house is turning to be ghetto. See, it's ghetto. It started to get like grasses, used to be like clean all the time before, but because of them, because they don't have proper whoever went first, so we don't have any desire to clean this up yet until the both parties settled, whoever win, whatever the court decide. I don't have any idea what they do. So we also has what's this? This one here is cassava. Our cassava is growing up already, which is, that's a good thing. Look at our cassava. They're growing up. Probably like 2 months from now, we are going to harvest already. And this one also, it's cassava. You can see down there, there's a house down there. See that? So one of the family was trying to be built down there because they're claiming that it's still theirs. However, when the surveyor come, because someone also said it's theirs, when surveyor come, they find it out that that one is not belongs to theirs. So that's how greedy people it becomes when this kind of port was started to saying it's blooming, outstanding. But guess what? They have a new thing also over here. Look at this. This is the new road. They are digging this out. They're going to make this road from this side, because according to them, they're going to make a hotel in this area. Like they're going to make hotel down here, so they're making the road to come here. I don't have any idea, guys. I don't know how. Let's see, let's see how it works. But port are not gonna get you business. Port is only designed to hop, load and unloading, because the main attraction in this area is not even here. It's in General Luna, it's in Pacifico. You will see that a lot in YouTube. So there is no way you can go down here and they said, oh, this is a cruise ship. Why would I going to stay in the hotel if I paid already in the cruise ship? Once I go to my adventure, I go direct to my cruise ship and then sleep. Perfect example. Airport. Airport is far, but I don't see any big buildings over there, hotels, because we know exactly that it's unloading. It's not gonna be, I don't know how it works. I don't know what kind of business they're trying to do, but good luck. As I said, that is the new thing down there. How could the business runs or works over in this area few years from now? I think we're gonna find it out, right? So this is what we get for dinner tonight. It's kind of weird because I was just thinking maybe I was just kind of pregnant. I'm craving for something. Like, it's been going on my head probably like 5 days now. I keep thinking it and like thinking. Like, I just don't know why. Might be pregnant. You never know. Anyway, we have this, and of course, I was just thinking this because I'm craving for this. This is root crop leaves, eggplant, and then okra. What I'm gonna do with this one is I'm going to boil them like steam, and then I would like to buy salted fish with tomato, salted fish, tomato, and then vinegar, and then that is our dipping sauce. That is the one you need to dip. Like you gotta be like you. That is the one I gotta use for my dipping sauce. I don't have any idea why, but I'm not sure also. But as I said, I've been craving that one for 5 days. Luisa might be pregnant. You never know. I might be pregnant with crocodile or like yeah. So I'm just going to clean that up, and then I'm going to steam that up, and then I'm gonna cook Brian's food, and then we are good to go. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap my day today. Before I wrap this one here, I got have like, you know what, the different taste over here. I just noticed that the sweet like root crops here in Siargao, then the root crops down where my father came from in Surigao del Sur has such a different taste. I'm not sure if it goes to soil or something, but in Sur, the root crop is kind of sweeter than here. It's like no taste at all. It's just like a rice with no taste. So I'm going to wrap my day up with girls who's doing dishes over here because that's a bunch, a lot of dishes. Tissue bits like this and that, they help. That's a lot of dishes. They should be like, once you eat, like every plates they eat, they should just wash their own dishes.
Gani.
Right? Okay? Here, you taste on top. Because this one here is already eating, but they're still hungry. Huh? Okay. Okay, here's the deal. You cook, I wash.
Hala.
Ha?
Amo gani. Kami naghugas kay ikaw nagluto.
Exactly, I cook. That's really hot. You wash. You cook, I wash. So you need to learn how to cook, then I'm gonna wash the dishes. Fam. So that's about it so far. Thank you so much, guys. I gotta wrap my day up today. I do really appreciate all of you. Every 7 o'clock, we were trying to finish our breakfast, our supper over here. By 8 o'clock, everybody's leaving. So, bye-bye, Sensei. Good night, Sana. Love you, Kenny. Good night.